अनुराग सालगोनकर का हाउ आई मॉडिफाइड माई ड्रीम बाइक, एपिसोड नंबर 1 है और भी आने वाला है. That's cool.
I've made several modifications to my limited edition Continental GT 650.
Okay.
Some I'd
Man,
recommend.
check out that
And if-
limited edition. मैं हमेशा ड्रूल करता हूँ इसकी मोटरसाइकिल पे. The badging on it, the chrome. Did it come with single seat in the limited edition कि उसने खुद किया है? We'll come to know. I'm not really sure.
Few mistakes I'd like to share so you
Oh,
can
share
avoid
mistakes. Okay, nice.
them. But one would ask, why risk spending loads of money on mods to eventually make it illegal for the roads? Why even bother?
Yeah, man. Most of the mods that we do in India can come into illegal categories. Auxiliary rights हो गई आपकी, डबल सीटर से सिंगल सीटर. आपके आरसी में डबल सीटर लिखा होता है, ऊपर नीचे थोड़ा चलता है.
Have you ever heard this interesting story of the
The sound effect.
Formula 1 2010?
अच्छा.
While the racing teams were on the hunt for ways to gain an edge over their rivals, McLaren's engineers devised a game-changing innovation.
Dude, what a video, man. Taking examples from F1. 5 spark plug for storytelling. Lovely.
But when you talk about a normal road, especially
road.
in India, why is it that any kind of modification done on vehicles
UK बाइक UK 08. एक नंबर से बच गया बंदा. एक नंबर से छपरी के नालने से बच गया बंदा. I don't want to say anything. KTM is now safe. अगर Yamaha R15 होती, then I would have said something. It's just a joke, guys. Just a joke. Why don't you understand?
kind of modification done on vehicles are deemed illegal?
Correct. Okay.
This is where the sheer scale of Indian traffic
So the question is कि हमारे रोड पे जो modifications है, why they considered illegal? अब इसके ऊपर ये बात करेंगे, okay?
where in other countries anything with wheels and an engine can be legally used on the road. In India, it's not just 20 superfast cars competing against each other. It's a gazillion different kinds of vehicles with different kinds of drivers and riders and passengers and pedestrians and animals all wandering off on the streets at the same time.
अरे गजब! Check out this uncle. Damn! हाथ दे रहे इधर, देख रहे उधर. ओह भाई साहब, मेरे को बंदे मिलते हैं ऐसे, लेकिन उस टाइम मैं रिकॉर्ड नहीं कर रहा था बस. अनुराग सालगोनकर स्टीवन स्पीलबर्ग का मोटरसाइकिल कंटेंट on YouTube. Indeed, I'll accept that.
The unpredictability is through the roof. More the variety of modified vehicles, more the variable circumstances, and hence more unpredictability. Which is why there are strict rules and regulations.
So basically already unpredictable है हमारे roads, और उसमें आप और mods करेंगे और unpredictability बढ़ जाएगी. Makes sense.
Set to not let modifications alter the original design or performance of a vehicle, or to compromise on its safety and integrity.
Safety and
Not to
integrity.
mention the environmental impact due to the increased emissions or reduced fuel efficiency.
Yeah, if you change the exhaust, for example, if you put a full system exhaust, it will affect its emission. That is one of the reasons why these exhausts are not allowed. Also the sound. दानिश भाई रहते तो mod legal होता आज. What the hell, man?
कुछ भी! Any kind of modifications that do not change these aspects of a vehicle are pretty much allowed on the Indian roads.
Yeah, okay.
And given the amount of fellow enthusiasts in the Indian market, there are a wide range of mild to wild modifications.
Mild to wild modifications. Oh, check that out. This is Papa's forte. I love it. Ooh. Whoa, check out design on a tank. Or a bike with girl. Ooh, I love these bullets or classics when they do these bronze mods on them. Very classy look comes out, man. Very classy look comes out. Oh, check that fuel cap. Music तो खतरनाक डाली है. That's a Super Meteor, right? Super Meteor becomes Super Meteor Glide.
And while there are so many varieties of modifications you can do to personalize your own ride, I did take my own sweet time to firstly experience the very own bike of my dreams.
That's the best way to do
and
it.
cherish every bit of its raw, unadulterated character.
Correct. That's the best way to mod your motorcycle, guys. अगर आप नया खरीद रहे हो, उसमें कुछ लगाना नहीं है आपको. आपने बाइक खरीदना है, चलाना है पहले, फिर देखना है कि does this mod make sense for you? जैसे कि आपका ग्रिप्स हो गया, आपका rear view mirror हो गया, आपकी लगेज सिस्टम हो गया, इंजन गार्ड हो गया, ये सब. Take your time, invest some time in the motorcycle, और फिर उसके बाद उसके ऊपर mods करना शुरू करो. And I'll say try to keep the bike light as possible.
Bit of its raw, unadulterated character.
Unadulterated character
And now after owning my motorcycle for more than 2 whole years,
damn, that's nice.
why would I not join the
Check
party?
that headlamp mod. I love that. Is it limited edition में आता है ऐसे कि किया है? We'll come to know. Ooh, I love that seat, dude. अनुराग का ही वीडियो देख के ना मेरे को बहुत मन करता है कि टू गेट वन सिंगल सीटर सेटअप वाला कॉन्टिनेंटल जीटी फॉर द सिटी. सेक्सी, द साउंड आल्सो, उफ, लवली. Check out the bits and pieces here. Put the bag, the retro bag. Exhaust also looks damn nice. Gramophone style. Ooh, leather hand grip. Here, the mods he has done is very subtle, right? It doesn't look overdone also. So it looks good. The only thing which I miss here is the wheel covers. काश इन्होंने wheel covers लगाए होते. थोड़ा और जचता.
खराब हो जाएगा, मैं माँ अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा मैं इनकी.
Exhaust is necessary since the stock ones stick out a lot and get constantly crashed into autos. I've seen a lot of people crashing them, but yeah, that's not a reason to get exhaust.
which one customizes, personalizes, or in other words, modifies their ride. For me, it essentially stems from two fundamental motivations.
Okay.
One for the ride and one for the soul.
Oof.
Where the one for the ride has a purely utilitarian purpose,
Okay.
the one
Utility.
for the soul is either for the feel, the aesthetic, or the sheer satisfaction of having something unique and exclusive to myself.
Unique and exclusive, yeah. That's why I love modification. You buy a motorcycle and then you do mods. This motorcycle is now yours. Doesn't matter कि वो मोटरसाइकिल अच्छी है, ये मोटरसाइकिल अच्छी है, इसमें ज्यादा परफॉर्मेंस है, इसमें ये खराब परफॉर्मेंस है. Nothing matters. This is you and your bike. It's not like you have to do crazy ass modification. Simple mods also makes a lot of difference.
Hard upon how exclusive the motorcycle I own
Exclusive.
is to begin with.
That's why a lot of people go for limited edition also. It's exclusive motorcycle. Some people like to get that feeling. I'm not that much into limited editions and all, or even जैसे कि number plate, special number plate बनवाते हैं. But I am not into that. I'm very practical. I like to buy the bike as cheap as possible and then make the bike as per my requirement. Do mods to it जो मेरे हिसाब से हो.
I have an elaborate story talking about just that.
अच्छा.
But essentially,
What was that?
subtle plug. But
What? What did he say? Suck my cock? No.
subtle plug.
Subtle plug. अच्छा, subtle plug. Okay.
But let's start with the first and most essential modification I did on my motorcycle.
Okay. What's that? I think it's tires.
Be it any kind of terrain, weather, situation, or mood, the only thing that connects you to the surroundings while riding,
I was right. Yes.
at least I hope,
जैसे ही बाइक खरीदो, दिस इज कैन बी वन ऑफ द मेजर अपग्रेड. तो अगर आपको कोई कंपनी टट्टी टायर दिया है, पुपू टायर्स, अपग्रेड देम एंड ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, इट विल चेंज द डायनामिक ऑफ योर राइडिंग. यू विल एंजॉय द मोटरसाइकिल मोर.
hope so.
शाबाश.
I myself have grossly underestimated the importance of a good tire on my motorcycle.
एंड आई हैव डन टू. हम लोग सब सीखते हैं. मैंने भी सीखा लोगों से और मैं वही सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. वही हमारे अनुराग भाई सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
And only when I happened to change it to the right one
वर्ड स्टैंड मैंने
is
देखा
when I
शायद था.
realized what all I've been missing out on. These are the Vredestein Centauro ST
एसटी
tires.
टायर्स. मैंने अभी बल्बासॉल ली. ओके, उसके जो टायर्स थे दे आर प्रिटी न्यू, बट द फ्रंट टायर हैड सम इश्यूज. हल्के हल्के से बम्प्स आ गए थे एंड दे वर गिविंग मी सम काइंड ऑफ वाइब्रेशंस व्हाइल ब्रेकिंग एंड दे वर काइंड ऑफ वॉबलिश आल्सो. इट वाज मेकिंग माय एक्सपीरियंस नॉट गुड एट ऑल. तो मैंने जाके फ्रंट टायर चेंज करवाया. आई डिडंट चेंज द रेयर. मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे उस टाइम पे. आई एम गोना चेंज माय रेयर आल्सो टू वर्डस्टाइन ओनली. मैंने भी वर्डस्टाइन का ही टायर लगवाया सामने. भाई जो मजा आया ना उसको चलाने के बाद, द डायनामिक टोटली चेंज एंड आई लव्ड इट. टायर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट गाइस.
These are fully tubeless, made from 0-degree steel belted.
Is it a subtle sponsorship insert or something here?
Mine has spoked wheels and hence came with tube tires at stock.
Okay.
The Seat Zoom Cruise.
You.
Those were, to be very kind, horrible for the bike. They did not provide any grip on either wet or dry surface.
Oh shit.
They never inspired confidence and wobbled the motorcycle over any uneven surface.
And that's why people said this bike is so unstable. Especially higher speed पे it wobbles. मेरे दोस्त ने अपनी बाइक पे he changed the tire to same tire. Suspension he changed. It is much more stable than before. And trust me, जो टट्टी टायर पहले आते थे उसको अगर आप चेंज करोगे ना, it will make so much difference to your stability of this motorcycle.
Besides also being extremely inconvenient when getting punctures, as Royal
that is
Enfields
one
are
issue.
heavy, was to convert the spoke trims that I already have
Into tubeless.
spoke trims.
You can do that.
And I did.
Oh nice.
I'll be making a dedicated video on that too.
Oh that's nice.
Don't you worry. After
So basically there is a kit जहां पे आप अपने spoke wheels को tubeless version में create कर सकते हो, and it's not very expensive also. I'm just not sure how reliable it is.
To which I obviously could not use the Seat Zoom Cruise tires as they were tube tires.
Yeah, tube tires.
Which is
okay.
when I switched to these.
Yeah, even I was
The
wondering the
Ralco
same.
Speed Blaster.
Oh, Ralco
Now,
Speed Blaster he put
These
in.
did everything that the Seat Zoom Cruise did, but worse. What the fuck? Apart from the fact that I used them for a few months, giving them all the benefit of doubt, playing with the tire pressure, but that did not help even a bit.
Okay, so
Which
Ralco
is
didn't
when I
work out.
decided it is time to change. Since both the GT650
Is this
and
video
the
all about
Interceptor have
Wonderstein
18-inch
and
rims on both
tires?
sides, and then finally got these.
How much you got it for?
Redstein Centauro ST. My first ride back home after installing them was pretty uneventful to notice any difference.
Yeah.
But over the last few months, I've realized how much of a difference a good pair of tires make to the
It
handling
will
of
make a lot of
motorcycle.
difference. If you're not feeling any kind of grip and you get a better tire, you'll feel like, whoa, what happened suddenly? I'm stuck to the ground.
The GT is stable at high speeds. The radial construction is dynamic.
It's
and
radial,
lets me
correct.
have incredible stability around corners, be it wet or dry surfaces.
Same, my friend also got Wonderstein. He's very happy with those on his bike. I can recommend bhai sahab. Again, Wonderstein didn't sponsor me. He has sponsored one guy. I will say front tire मैंने change करवाया Wonderstein का on my Ninja, and I have also used Wonderstein on my 790 Duke, and they were good tires. I won't say phenomenal tires, nothing like that, but they are good for the money that you're paying.
And the ST in the name denotes its road bias nature. I'll be
Can we
doing
move
that
to
too.
another
Don't worry.
mod?
But concluding on these tires,
This is becoming
forget
suspiciously
everything
a
else. and
tire
get this.
video.
When I look at my motorcycle, it's not just a machine. It's a reflection of who I am.
That's why अगर आप छपरी की बाइक देखोगे ना, it kind of looks like him. समझ रहे, रंग बिरंगी. It is a reflection of them. आप एक मोटरसाइकिल देख कर समझ सकते हो कि ये बंदे का कैरेक्टर कैसा है. And I can see subtle but kind of complex in Anurag. And he likes practicality also. Kind of. Limited edition खरीदा है. Kind of wasted money there.
Whether it's fixing something I didn't like or adding a feature that I felt was missing, the satisfaction
Thank God he didn't add those ugly ass engine guards. Huge. The leg destroyers. Thank God he went with the stock option. Loved it. The only thing missing is Sting energy drink in his headlamp.
Oh, hell no, man.
is incredible. This
Arre,
bike isn't just off the assembly line anymore.
Check that bag out. That's
It's
so
mine.
cool bag, man.
In every
टायर मॉड के लिए टायर मॉड के लिए जो पहला था इनका, उसके लिए तो भाई पापा देंगे. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट मॉड. 100% पापा इज गोना गिव 5 स्पार्क प्लग टू द टायर मॉड. गाइस ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, टायर मॉड इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. टायर मॉड का मतलब अगर आपके पास घटिया टायर है तो उसको चेंज करो. पुराना टायर है चेंज करो. ट्रस्ट मी गाइस, डू नॉट चीप आउट ऑन टायर्स. मत करो. मैंने भी गलतियां की अपनी जिंदगी में, मैंने भी कही है, एंड आई लर्न फ्रॉम इट. ही ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम इट. हमारे अनुराग भाई, आई ऑल्सो लर्न फ्रॉम इट. हमारी गलतियों से सीखो एंड इन्वेस्ट इन गुड पेयर ऑफ टायर्स.
Thank you for watching.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी इनका एपिसोड 2 देखेंगे. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर इट.
Round and round, the wheels on the bike go round and round, all through the town.